Hello, everyone. I'm super excited to share with all of you just a super crazy hack that will save you tons and tons of hours, guys, and days and months, and will make your life so much easier. I'm not trying to sell you anything or I'm not trying to promote anything because this thing really works, and I know for sure that it will really help you in the long run. So, what we're gonna do in today's video, we will vibe code an app using Google's AI Studio. Then we're gonna send the data from that app through a platform named n8n. So then afterwards we can insert that data inside Google Sheets so we can have it for reference. Because as you know, in all the vibe coded apps like Lovable, V0, Base 44, etc. and so on, it doesn't have memory. You need to go super base, you need to go like coding experience, but here you don't need to have any coding experience at all. So further ado, let me show you just exactly how simple it is to create these apps. So you're gonna go to aistudio.google.com. Then we're going to press on build, and here you can build your apps. Also here you can choose the functions that you want the app to have. So in this case scenario, we want to build the lead scraper for Google Maps. So let's say I'm going to choose Google Search. I'm going to choose Google Maps. And now here you can give a prompt and exactly what you want your app to do. Yeah. So in this case, generate for me an app that will scrape for me leads, and after it will scrape the leads, it will send the data through a webhook with these specific columns. I want it structured, as an example. Yeah. So here I have Google Sheets that I've already made. So I'm just going to copy these fields, which I have. Here is the date, city, country, lead number, company name, category, description, and yada, yada, yada. So I'm going back here. So here I'm going to just paste it here. Now, I want the data to be sent as post to this webhook. So now what we need to do is we need to go to n8n. You need to sign in or sign up if you've never used before. We're going to open an instance, and then you need to create a workflow. So just simple, just go to your project, create a workflow, and here I'll name it Google Maps Scraper. Yeah. Here I'm going to add the first step. I'll name here, I'll put a webhook right here. And here you can see the webhook. Just make sure you set it to post. So we're going to receive that data, and here I'll name it leads scraper maps. Go on production URL, copy the production URL. You go back to Google AI Studio, you paste that webhook, and done. As input, I want to have the search query, city, and country. Done. So once again, the prompt, you can see it right here. I'm going to press on build, and basically that's it. And now AI Studio will vibe code for us. The app will code for us. The app will create the first version of it, of course. And of course, afterwards, if you want, through the chat, you can easily modify it. Let's see, again, through chat interface, you can make beautiful colors. You can put flowers there. I mean, it's totally up to you. So once again, we have Google Sheets. We have the vibe coded app by AI Studio. And here we have also that webhook that we've set right now in n8n. So it means here in n8n, what we need to do now is we need to connect, because n8n will act as the bridge between these two platforms. So now I'll go here, I'll press on plus, and I'll write sheets, pressing on sheets. Here you need to append their own sheet. And here you need to select this specific Google Sheets, which is Google Maps Scraper. I'm gonna press here, and now here I'll write Google Maps, and I think it will appear right here. Next, you need to select also the sheet, which is basically sheet number 1 right here. So when I selected that, you can see straight away that we have all these fields which are currently empty that we will need to fill. So for now, just close this, press on save, and that's it. I'll press this on active for now because I want to check the data which we're gonna receive through the webhook. So to check what data you'll receive through the webhook, just press here on executions. So we're gonna see if any data is being sent. Now, going back to AI Studio, geography location allow, boom. Okay, so search query, city, country, exactly as we asked. I'll even let this as it is. Fail to get a valid response from the AI. The model may unable to find leads. To this query, response for it was incorrect. Okay, country, United States. failed to call Gemini AI. Okay, I'm gonna press on auto fix right now, so it's gonna fix any specific errors, because maybe there's some errors with the API itself. Yeah, but don't worry, you don't have any coding skills on how to fix these errors. You just press on auto fix and the AI will fix these errors, guys. It's so fascinating, because till now, yes, of course, you could vibe code an app even in let's say base 44, or even in Lovable or v0, but it was quite hard to implement all these Gemini features. Again, you need to go to Gemini API, you need to get the API key, you need to insert it there, put, connect, etc., and so on. But now look just how easy I am doing it. Again, I'm gonna press on scrape leads, and let's see if it will work right now, because here it says that it fixed that error. So let's see exactly how it works. So now it's currently scraping and 3 dots. I'll drink some water. Wow. This is a super mega loophole, guys, because you don't need any more advanced workflows right here, just for your information. Scraping, scraping, scraping. Let's see what you will scrape, Mr. Gemini. In the meantime, I'll check here. No data yet was received. Boom, send, 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 send. Okay, look at this data we have here. So we have, and was it sent? All of it was sent, guys. And now what we need to do, I'm gonna copy to editor. So here we have the fields that will require to be filled. Press on here. So this is the data that we received right here. Now go to this Google Sheets append row, and we will need just to drag and drop these fields. So here we have, going back on top, generated date, search city, search country, lead number, company name, category, description, address. You don't need any more API here, guys. Just this. City, country. Oh, there's a lot of fields. I should have made less, but okay. Just for you guys, just showing you just what is possible, right? For example, those LinkedIn, etc., and so on. Not all of them will have on Google Maps. So, but still, you have all that data. Then email, then the website, then the LinkedIn. What else? Facebook, Instagram, rating, review count, business hours. Voila, nice business hours. But here we have it as an object. So I'm just gonna copy this. I'll go to ChatGPT, because I don't like how it is there, because I wanted to have it human readable. So I have this JSON expression, pasting it here, which contains this. And I'm just gonna copy this. What I want is for it to be properly arranged with no JSON stuff or objects. Yeah. So now what ChatGPT will do, it will get for us that specific JSON expression. I'm doing it because maybe you don't know how, so it's gonna be easier for you guys. Now I'm gonna go back here, paste, boom. So now we're gonna have it like this, well arranged and clean. Next, we need to go for quality score. Where was it? Quality score, quality reasoning, status, contacted, false, notes, nada. That's it. I'm going to press an execute step to see if the data will be sent to our webhook. And boom, here you have it. Here, this is that juicy data that we need about our potential leads. Yeah, just gonna go scrape more on the right. We're gonna just well arrange it to see that everything is properly formatted. Okay, now going back to AI Studio. Now let's go for marketing agencies. In the meantime, in n8n, I'll press on save. So I will even put this and take this like this. I'll put it here and the other one here, so you'll be able. Wait a moment. Did I do it correctly? I think yes. Go here. And I'm gonna check the sheets. And I'm gonna show you just in comparison on how it is. Yeah. So here we have our sheets, marketing agencies, New York, country USA. Scrape leads. And let's see how it will be. Guys, so again, you can build anything you want here. Also, this app, I'll make it available inside the AI Marketing Hub. So if you want to have this app, guys, feel free to use it. It's all for you. Of course, I'll, I'll make a better version of it in the future. But just I'm sharing right now how easy it is to build this sort of apps, because like we are doing right now, we are building a lead scraper that will get for us the leads, and afterwards, if you want maybe to close this lead somehow, or maybe if you want to process them somehow, we can do that here. And this is some really useful information, and people are paying really crazy money for this sort of tools. Yeah, here you have it. And now let's say AI is searching for leads. This might take a moment. So what he's doing right now, he's searching with Google search, and he's searching also with Google Maps. Send. And now you can see straight away it will start being populated. Boom, 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 and more and more and more. I'll even magnify it so you'll be able to see. Some of them don't have data, unfortunately, some of them have. Yeah. Again, we can just delete these, boom, and delete. These, boom, and delete. And these two also delete. So here it has only a few, which is, we need to have more, right? But look at this. But so far, no email, no data. So let's fix this. We need to have the Instagram, the rating, and so on. So we're gonna go back to AI Studio. Where was it? Okay, here, back on AI Studio. Send. Okay. So great. I love it. But we don't have all the data there. We are missing social media, etc., and so on. Please make the AI agent better. Also, use Google search and Google Maps properly so we can populate them all. Also, add another uh, button, another form input, lead count. I want to be able to select between 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 leads to be scraped. Yeah. Play. Currently, when the AI is scraping, he is missing social media like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, right? What else are we missing here? Let's see. Can you go on the right? So, okay, Instagram, email, and website. He is failing to fetch. Please fix. Yeah. So I mentioned all the things on all the fields that we are currently missing. So I hope now AI will fix that part. I'm gonna go back here, back here, and I will try to make this one here. Now I will just disregard this lead, so I'll just gonna delete. And let's wait for the update from Google's AI Studio. And I know for sure he will perform. And again, if he will not perform, again, just doing a little bit of troubleshooting here and there, and it will work. Yeah. And again, if it will fail getting, let's say, the social medias, then either we can disregard that, or we can, let's say, get another webhook that will call another tool. As an example, you can put even whatever, even data for SEO as an example, because I love data for SEO, and I can just get the data from there. But just here, the main point of this video is to show you like how cool this app is. Yeah. Now, Italian restaurants, New York, I'll just leave it as it is. I'm gonna press on 20 leads, scrape leads. So AI lead scraper, live build right now, just out of nothing. I just had the Google Sheets and just the idea in mind. And for me, it's interesting. What sort of ideas do you have? Drop a comment, by the way. For me, I would like to know like what crazy ideas do you have in this case scenario. So now lead is scraping. Let's put it here so we will be able to see it here. Also gonna check on executions. And again, this is set to active, just the webhook, just the sheets, nothing else. Let's wait. Cool, right? I know. I know. This is just because of this and this together. It will save so much time. Oops, I pressed that by accident. Delete. This will save you so much time, guys, because till now I was building like complex workflows. If you haven't heard of Frankenstein, you can watch my previous videos. My workflows were quite complex because they required to have like some really deep thinking and strategical approach to things. And the problem there was because they were newbies in the space that they don't know much about n8n, right? And again, that means they need to learn a new skill and it will take time. The AI is evolving, the AI is growing, and it's hard, errors happening, whatever is happening. But this will save a lot of time. Now let's wait for it to insert. Pow, pow, pow. Okay. I'm going to press new executions. You can see right now that he is running. Queued, 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 running, running. Going back to our lead scraper. Now I'll magnify this and I can see that we are missing a few fields. And why is that? I'm going to go back to n8n and I'm going to see all of them exactly why they're missing. So checking here. From our available, status new. Okay, I got it. Because in this case scenario, here's quality score, rating, etc. So we got some data for most of them. Let's see right here if we scraped. So now it scraped just a few, but we have a few missing fields. So why this is happening? Now the troubleshooting comes into mind, right? That's why now we're going to check exactly why this happens. So I'm going to check just the last one. For example, the last one was row 27. So I'll go on personalized execution. And I want to say exactly why this happened, because this is not supposed to happen. It means the AI here, he missed a few fields. So checking it, let's say Cipriani downtown, Lamore. It was not inserted here. Now why? And let's see. I'm gonna press here. No, it was here, inserted. If I'm gonna refresh the sheets, so strange. I mean, the data here was inserted, but some of them were not. So now what I want to do is I want to troubleshoot why some fields were not inserted, because that's really strange. Piccola, lead number 10. Lead number 10. So 8, 9, and it missed 10 insertion. But why so? Could it be because of the color? I don't think so. Could it be? No. Okay then, just an easy fix for this, quite simple. So, help me make a fix. When the data will be sent to the webhook, I want all of it to be sent as separate objects, not one by one. Just an easy fix, because here, as you can see, yes, it inserted the data. Also here, let's check if it inserted the email. So we are, okay, here coordinates email, some of them are missing. I can see right here, the website is here, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook is still missing. So I think most probably it's something to do with the sheets itself. Maybe, most probably, I don't know. I'm gonna make a troubleshooting. And if you know, just drop a comment. Drop a comment. Always drop a comment. I'll just gonna delete these rows. Oh, okay. Then like this. There are a few frozen rows, which I will remove. Delete rows. Boom. I'm gonna select them all, except the last one. I will put color to be black. And yep, let's, what we did right now, I just told the AI like, hey, put so the data there will be sent as that. So I'm just gonna leave the same. I'm gonna put here a marketing agencies, no, plumbers, even easier, New York's, country, United States. Now I'm gonna just go back to n8n. I will remove this for now because I want to check that that specific thing. I'm gonna press on executions, and I will make a little troubleshooting, and I will see if all the data is sent straight away, but as one object, as one call, not all of them one by one. So we can properly then format it, so we make sure that, hey, all the fields are inserted. But this is just an example, guys, of everything and of a troubleshooting, because for sure when you will build the app, you will need to make some troubleshooting. So you can just watch exactly what I'm doing, how I'm doing it right now, because it's so damn simple. So damn simple. Easy. I mean, as I mentioned, no rocket science, nada. You just vibe code it, like now. I vibe coded the app. Maybe you have, let's say, one for keyword research or one for content creation. You can do that. I mean, just explore your imagination. Or you can just, I don't know, ask ChatGPT and it will do it for you. It's totally up to you. Any project, anything, you can just combine these two together. Then also, if you want, you can deploy the app. Same as I did, let's say, with my app, which is YouTube Script Master. Like I vibe coded the app in 1 hour and a half, did a troubleshooting, made a little bit of design, and here, let's say, how rank on Google in 2026. And this script generator will generate for me the scripts, and then this data will be sent to my webhook and to my other Google Sheets. So the exact same app as you see here with the YouTube Script Master, because you can watch my previous video if you want. I made this app exactly the way of how I'm sharing it with you right here. So vibe code an app in AI Studio, connect with the webhook to n8n, and that's it. It's that simple. Now I'm just waiting for this scraping to finish. Let's wait for a bit till it will scrape, because now it's searching Google Maps. So yeah, fantastic. Fantastic. Fascinating. Okay, so now you can see here, straight away it was sent right here to this webhook. I'll just gonna copy this to editor, and now I will troubleshoot this here. I'm gonna magnify, and I will see exactly everything that we have here. We have body 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. This is exactly what I want. And we have also yes, we have also here the socials. How cool is that? Now, because we have that body, I'm gonna press here. I'm gonna press on split out. So I want to split out that body, yeah? I'm gonna just drag this one here. I'll put it here and press on execute step. As you can see right here, we have 10 items. I'm gonna go back here. I'll put it here to this Google Sheets connected back. And here now again, it means we will need to drag and drop all the fields again. And what to do? But maybe map automatically. Let's see. Will it fully work? Boom. Do I have any app scripts enabled or what? I don't see the data. I'm just gonna copy this. That's really strange. Oh, okay. So here we are missing some field. You see the data was inserted. Okay, it means I will again delete all of it, and I will do it manually. Automatically, it doesn't work here properly. So now map each column manually. Here, generated date, drag and drop, search city, drag and drop, search country, lead number. I'm just going to remove this and this. Just delete all of them. Then we have company name, category, description, address, country. My vision became blurry just for 1 second. You have the city right here. Then you I think it will be a lot more easier if I can just delete. Yep, it's that simple. Delete you also, and you also, and you also. Just removing the body of all of them. Doing the same for the rest. Body, delete, and you also, delete, and you, and also you, and you. But why do we have all of these fields here? Did I duplicate by any chance? So generated date. Wow, I think this is the reason why. Okay, so I created some fields which are not required here. Now let's go one by one. Here, description, category. I'll just put this as none, invalid, duplicate column name found. Got it. Coordinates, phone number, LinkedIn, Instagram, blah blah blah. And this is here, and this is here, and now we'll just delete these. Boom. Now I think this will work 100%. Yeah, I think that was a mistake from my side, guys. My bad. Now, as I deleted those columns, I'm just going to press on refresh. Boom. And there you have it. And now I'm going to press on start, press on play. And let's see that all the fields, hopefully now they are filled inside. Okay, this works now. Perfect. I will just delete rows. You also delete. And sorry, it's not possible to delete frozen rows. No problem. I'm just going to put 10, add new rows, go back here till except this part. Damn it. There were some frozen rows. I don't know why. Okay, so now it's clean. I will try it once again. Okay. Again, this was frozen. That was so strange. Delete this also. Okay. Oof. Finally, guys, look at this. Look at this. So, we have date, search city, country, lead number, company name, category, description, address, city, country, coordinates not inserted, so we can fix that with the prompt, phone, email. Some of them will have, some of them will not have, depending on the display that they have, the website, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, rating, review count, business hours, quality score, quality reasoning, and status. Now again, okay, let's try it once again. So I'm gonna go back to AI Studio. I'll go here. Now let's say electricians. Yeah, in New York, United States, scrape 10 leads. And let's see now that I hope now fully it will properly work. But then again, I need to fix also the coordinates. But that's same as we did with the Facebook. We can just easily fix it with the prompt. So let's see right here. If it will properly insert right now. I'm gonna even press on executions, but I know for sure it will execute right now. But now imagine you can have a content creator that will create for you, let's say, blogs, and you can connect those blogs through n8n and it will post for you on WordPress. How cool is that? Yeah, it's searching for leads. This might take a moment. And now this video is already 27 minutes, so if you are here till now, good job and thank you for watching. Look at this. And now again, you can scrape infinitely. You can scrape even 100 leads here, guys, from Google Maps. And then your mission afterwards, how you can process these leads. Let's say, hey, you have an email, but be careful with emails though, because now if you do some cold email campaigns, Google can ban you. But be very careful. But you have all the data. You can scrape any leads from Google Maps, and there you have it. Vibe coded in 28 minutes. Fully functional, let's say, lead scraper. Just right now, live, you can do the same. You can do even better, because I know you can do it better, because here I didn't even use prompt engineering. But if I'm going to use my knowledge of prompt engineering and context engineering and also with the tools together, I think I can easily build a super mega beast right here. But of course, that's for another video. So guys, once again, AI Studio vibe coded the app, used n8n as the bridge, and then Google Sheets just to insert this data. So to have it for myself, if I want to, let's say, connect with these leads, maybe cold call, maybe email, you can do the same. If you want to have like a lead scraper, you've seen exactly how I did it right now live with you guys. It's no rocket science. It's just super simple, super easy, vibe code, connect and put. And of course, if you want to learn more about any of these sort of things, and I'm going to have a lot of some really useful apps available inside my school community. So you can just, you're going to see the link down in the description, but I'm just going to even put it here. AI Marketing Hub, which is the pro, which is the paid community, but I also have AI Marketing Hub, which is the free community. So please join. I will share everything here. I'm also always sharing it here, new stuff, news, etc. Also in the AI Marketing Hub, like hey, if you want to have an app specially for you, I built, like, for example, the YouTube script scraper for one of our AI Marketing Hub members. I can do the same for you. So I hope I'm gonna see you there. Just takes a few clicks. So don't be scared of school. Everyone is like, oh my god, school. You have all my templates there also, but we are also providing values. So no fluff, just here sharing my experience, and I hope you found this video useful. And thank you for watching. Take care, vibe code, and as promised, as mentioned before, after this video now, directly go and vibe code that app because you know better exactly what you want. And if you don't know what you want, then think about it and talk with Gemini or ChatGPT, and they will guide you through the process. So, yeah, I would say basically that's it. That's just a simple guide on how you can vibe code an app in AI Studio, then connect it through the webhook through, I mean, n8n, because n8n will act as the bridge between AI Studio and also Google Sheets, so it will introduce for us the data. And afterwards, after you finished with the app, it's so easy. You can just press here. You can deploy the app directly to your cloud as an example, and you can make it live, same as I did with the YouTube Script Master, right? So you can deploy this app and you can use it. It's that simple. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you found this video valuable. Drop a like, leave a comment, and yeah, I hope to see you inside my school community. Take care and have fun. Bye.